Once upon a time, in a big, bustling jungle, lived a little turtle named Toby. Now, Toby was a wonderful turtle with a strong, shiny shell and a kind heart. But he had one big problem. He spent all his time looking at Chester the cheetah. He'd watch Chester zip through the grasslands, a blur of spots and speed, and Toby would sigh. "Why can't I be fast like that?" he'd mumble to himself. So, Toby decided he would become a cheetah turtle. He tried to run, tucking his head in and pushing with all his might, but he'd just end up spinning in a circle. He painted yellow spots on his shell with berry juice, but they just washed off in the rain. He even tried to pounce on a fallen leaf, but he was so slow the wind blew it away before he even got close. Every attempt left him feeling more frustrated and sad. He wasn't a cheetah, and trying to be one was making him a very unhappy turtle. One day, while he was moping by the river, a wise old elephant named Ellie saw him. "Toby," she said gently, "why are you trying to paint spots on your beautiful shell?" Toby explained his dream of being as fast as Chester. Ellie listened patiently and then said, "Chester is fast. It's true. That's his gift. But have you ever considered your own?" She pointed with her trunk to Toby's shell. "That shell is your home and your shield. It's strong and protective, and you see the world in a way Chester never can. You notice the tiny flowers, the busy ants, and the beautiful patterns on butterfly wings because you move with patience." Toby had never thought of it that way. He realized he was so busy wanting what Chester had, he never appreciated what he had himself. The next day, a big storm rolled through the jungle. The wind howled and rain poured down. Chester the cheetah, with all his speed, couldn't outrun the storm and had nowhere to hide. But Toby? He just tucked himself safely into his strong, sturdy shell and waited calmly for the storm to pass. When the sun came out, Chester was shivering and soaked. Toby, warm and dry, slowly emerged from his shell. He realized his strength wasn't in speed, but in his steadiness and resilience. From that day on, Toby stopped trying to be a cheetah. He embraced being a turtle, a patient, observant, and wonderfully strong turtle. He learned that the best thing you can be is simply, authentically, you. I hope this little story reminds you that your unique qualities are your greatest strengths. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more stories that warm the heart. Check out our playlist for more adventures. Thanks for watching.